Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're someone who wants to build wealth without taking on too much risk, this video is for you. Today, we'll dive into 8 low-risk passive income strategies that can help you earn steady cash flow over time. The best part? These methods require minimal effort once set up, and they're perfect for investors who want to make their money work for them without exposing themselves to too much risk. So grab a pen and paper and let's get started. Why low-risk passive income? Before we dive into the strategies, let's take a moment to talk about why low-risk passive income is so appealing. When you're earning passive income, you're creating streams of revenue that require little to no active effort on your part once they're set up. And when it's low risk, you don't have to worry as much about losing your hard-earned money. That peace of mind is priceless. Low-risk passive income strategies can offer consistent returns with relatively little volatility. They allow you to grow your wealth steadily without constantly worrying about market swings or unpredictable losses. Whether you're looking to supplement your current income or eventually live off of your passive earnings, these strategies are an excellent starting point. The 8 low-risk passive income strategies. Let's jump into the good stuff, the strategies. Here are 8 low-risk ways to earn steady cash flow. 1. High-yield savings accounts. Effortless growth. If you're looking for something simple and safe, high-yield savings accounts are a great choice. Unlike traditional savings accounts, these accounts offer higher interest rates, allowing your money to grow faster without any extra work on your part. Plus, your deposits are insured up to $250,000 by the FDIC, so your funds are secure. Why it's low risk? Your principal is protected, and you can access your funds at any time without penalties. Tip: shop around for the best interest rates. Online banks often offer better returns than brick-and-mortar ones. 2. Dividend stocks. Get paid while you sleep. Dividend stocks are a classic low-risk strategy for earning passive income. Many established companies pay regular dividends, which means they share their profits with you, the shareholder. Why it's low risk? When you invest in well-established companies, the risk of loss is lower. Plus, dividends provide a steady income stream, even if stock prices fluctuate. Tip: focus on dividend aristocrats, companies that have consistently raised their dividends for 25 years or more. They tend to be stable and reliable. 3. Bonds, a safe, steady option. Government and corporate bonds are another safe way to generate passive income. When you buy a bond, you're essentially lending money to a company or government, and in return, they pay you interest. Why it's low risk? Government bonds, especially U.S. Treasury bonds, are backed by the government and considered virtually risk-free. Corporate bonds can also be safe if you stick to high-quality, investment-grade bonds. Tip: consider I-bonds or municipal bonds for tax advantages and inflation protection. 4. Real estate crowdfunding. Invest without the hassle. Real estate crowdfunding platforms like Fundrise and Realty Mogul allow you to invest in real estate projects with as little as $500. Instead of buying property directly, you pool your money with other investors and earn income from rental properties or property sales. Why it's low risk? These platforms offer a diversified range of real estate investments, reducing your exposure to any one property. They also typically have a strong performance track record. Tip: start small to get comfortable with the platform and the risks involved. 5. Peer-to-peer lending. Earn interest on loans. Peer-to-peer, P2P lending platforms like Lending Club and Prosper let you lend money to individuals or small businesses and earn interest on the loans. Why it's low risk? P2P lending platforms allow you to diversify your investment by lending to many borrowers at once, which spreads out the risk. You can also choose lower-risk loan categories to minimize the potential for defaults. Tip: start with a small amount to test the platform and its reliability before scaling up. 6. Robo-Advisors. Automated, low-risk investing. Robo-Advisors like Betterment and Wealthfront offer automated investing services that build and manage a diversified portfolio based on your risk tolerance. Why it's low risk? Robo-Advisors invest in a mix of stocks, bonds, and other assets to minimize risk and maximize returns. They also handle all the rebalancing and adjustments for you. Tip: look for robo-advisors with low management fees and those that offer tax loss harvesting to optimize your returns. 7. cashback rewards, and credit card offers. Free money. If you're someone who already uses credit cards, cashback rewards and sign-up bonuses can provide easy passive income with minimal risk. Many credit cards offer cash back on purchases, and some offer large sign-up bonuses if you meet a spending requirement. Why it's low risk? As long as you pay off your balance in full each month, there's no risk. You're essentially earning free money on the purchases you'd be making anyway. Tip: choose a card that fits your spending habits and look for cards with the best sign-up bonuses. 8. Create and sell digital products. Work once, earn forever. If you have a skill or knowledge to share, creating and selling digital products like ebooks, online courses, or printables can provide a great source of passive income. Why it's low risk? Once the product is created, it can be sold over and over with little ongoing effort. You control pricing, marketing, and distribution. Tip: start with simple products like ebooks or guides and sell them on platforms like Amazon or Etsy. Final thoughts. And there you have it, 8 low-risk passive income strategies that can help you earn steady cash flow over time. These options are perfect for anyone who wants to grow their wealth without taking on too much risk. Whether you choose high-yield savings accounts, dividend stocks, or real estate crowdfunding, the key is consistency and making smart decisions with your money. Remember, passive income isn't about getting rich quick. It's about building wealth over time in a way that's sustainable and low risk. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss out on more valuable tips for building wealth and financial freedom. Which of these passive income strategies are you most excited to try? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and here's to earning steady cash flow and building your financial future.